Assalamu alaikum students. In today's video we will discuss about 8th standard science. But let me tell you first, till now you have studied science as a subject, as one subject, right? So in this you have studied different kinds of interactions between living things and non-living things, different kinds of phenomena that are taking place around us, and how living and non-living things are interrelated, how do they depend or interdepend upon each other, right? So depending upon this, to study the phenomena, to study the different aspects of life in a very clear manner, science has been classified, science has been divided, or you can say it has been categorized into three main branches. I think you might have heard these terms like physics, chemistry and biology. So we are going to see what are those three branches, what do they deal with, and how you must know the difference between those three branches. So here it is, students. Science has been classified into three main branches: physics, chemistry, biology. What is physics here? Physics deals with physical quantities. You might be knowing that in this part, mostly in science, we come across temperature, energy like solar energy, heat energy, light energy, different masses. Will calculate the mass of the different objects, gravitation, all these things, and forces, different kinds of forces. If any body is pushed in one side, where will it move, what direction will it take, and mainly particularly planets, solar system, right? So physics deals with all these things. There are many other concepts also, but in general you can say these are the things that you will come across in physics branch. Next we have chemistry. Here in chemistry we will deal with chemicals. As you might have seen in films and other programs, they will be mixing chemicals, doing different experiments, right? So chemistry consists of chemicals. Chemicals here doesn't mean that only their combination, but here it also involves the study of different components that are present in any chemical. It may be your food, it may be wood, it may be any object around you. If you are studying its combination, then that comes under chemistry. Then we have biology. From the word itself you can understand bio. Bio here refers to life, right? So biology is nothing but the study of life, that is living organisms, plants and animals. How they grow, how do they grow, what are the different phenomena, what are the different processes that are taking place in their life, how do they die, and all other concepts, right? So this is about science. I am explaining this to you because here from 8th standard, that is from your high school, you will be studying science as three different parts, right? So I have classified I have divided your syllabus into these three categories. Let me just show you that. Here it is, your 8th standard science reader. See the content. We have a total of 18 chapters, right? In front of each chapter, I have put B, C, and P, right? B indicates biology, right? So that just by this initial you can understand that this chapter comes under biology part. Then we have C for chemistry. So you can see here synthetic fibers, plastics, materials, metals, non-metals, all these concepts are a part of chemistry branch. Then we have physics. As I said earlier, physics involves force, friction, sound and every other form of energy, right? So here force, pressure, friction, these chapters are included under physics part. So in this manner I have classified all 18 chapters, divided them into the three parts: physics, chemistry and biology. Just to note it down, You can tick it in your reader as well, so that it will become easy for you to understand to which branch this chapter belongs. Right? You can note down this one. Once you get to know about these three branches, the difference between them, we can move on to the very first chapter of your syllabus, that's crop production and management.